If you win a lottery in Canada, the entire money is yours. You don't pay any taxes. Be it a million, 10 million, 80 million, the entire money is yours. Now, I don't know why I'm making this video, but I thought it can be helpful for some of you. Whenever I would walk into shopping mall or grocery store, I would find these forms kept all over the lottery ticket counter, and I was too shy to ask how to play a lottery. Now, that's what I'm going to explain in today's video. I'll show you everything what is here one by one. Before we even get into the video, know your limit, play within it. All of these have encore. You can see here, play encore. So any of these you buy, you can also add encore with that. The retail store and pick this form. So this Lottario, you can see here, and here there are 10 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each box represents one ticket. So again, you go to the counter and pick up this form, and each play will cost you $1. So one ticket, $1. That is the cost. And here for each ticket, you pick your 6 number which you choose. Either you can choose the number, or if you cross here quick pick, computer will generate 6 number for you. Okay, I'll take this out. You're not supposed to do this. In case you make any mistake here, you just do a void, and the retail person will know that you know this is not required to be seen by that person. So you can play or buy up to 10 ticket with this. Okay, so here I'm choosing my number. This both remains blank. I will choose the 6 number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 numbers have been chosen. Now, if I tell the retail person, he or she will give the ticket, and that will cost $1 per. So here in this Lottario, when you pay this $1, you also get one computer generated number. So this is the ticket. You see here, Lottario, $1. This is quick pick. I did not choose the number. So it shows the number here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this is computer generated. Encore, it shows not entered. So Encore, I'll come a little later. In case you choose Encore, then it will show the Encore number. So this is a different ticket. So Encore number will show up like this, which is again computer generated. Now for this ticket, I've chosen 6 numbers. I can likewise pick more tickets, and for each ticket it will cost $1. If I want only one, I have made the selection like this. Then Encore, if you pick Encore, this is the top price. This Encore is there with other lottery also. I'll show that on the screen. So whatever you pick, you pay $1 additional for that. So if you choose 1, you pay $1. If you choose 5, you pay $5. That's how the Encore works. So let me choose $5 here. Okay, so I'll get 5 Encore computer generated. Now I have picked 1 ticket, and Encore I have picked 5. So it becomes 1 plus 5, $6. And then you have option to keep the same number for remaining future draws. So depending on what you select, if you want, okay, you can leave it with this, or if you choose 10, then $1 plus 5, 6, 6 into 10, 60. And then if you want more tickets, you mark 6 numbers for additional tickets. So if you fill this form, then it becomes 1 to $2. Then Encore, you pick 5, so $7. And if you pick 10 week, it becomes 7. If you don't pick any week, then it remains as it is, $7. So this is Lottario. Now this Lottario also has a combo. 5 number combination, you see, 7 number combination, 8 number combination, 9 number. So basically, some people, they want to increase the probability of winning, and how it works here, depending on what you select, each play is considered $1. Okay, so here you see Lottario has a combo, and how this combo works. If you choose 5 number, then you pay $40. 7 number, 7 per draw. 8 number, 28 per draw per trial. And 9 if you pick, you pay 84 per draw per trial. So basically here you will go and select, for example, 5. This will cost you $40. Here you pick 5 number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 5 number, what you pick is your chosen number, and you will pay $40 for here. When you're selecting 5 number, you're playing those 5 number in combination with each of the remaining 40 number on the board as 6 number. So 6 number will be computer generated. Okay, so as I said, some people try to increase their probability of winning, so they go for this method. If you're choosing Encore, you pay additional money. So depending on what you choose, if you have chosen, for example, 1, you pay $1. If you choose 10, then you pay $10. So with this example, I've made selection for 5 number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 numbers. I pay $40 plus additional $10 for the draw. Now, in case you want to play for more number of weeks, 10 draws in a row, you see here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, depending on what you choose. If I choose example as 10, then 40 plus 10 is 50 into 10, $500. That's how it is going to cost. So this is how the combo works depending on what you choose. If you choose 7, you get to pick 7 number. 8, you get to pick 8 numbers. If you select 9, you get to pick 9 numbers. This is how the ticket for 649 will look. Whatever amount you paid, that will show up, date, then it will have the 6 number. If it is quick pick, it will show quick pick. I just asked the retail to generate a random number. So that was given. In case you pick the number, then again that will show up. Golden ball draw, I explained, it will be computer generated, and encore again will be computer generated. So remember to do a signature here. Always have a receipt from where you buy the ticket. In case you forget where you bought the ticket, you will not get your lottery winning. So it's always a good practice to keep the invoice with. To know the winning number, I have the OLG app on my mobile. That's the easiest. And once you have that and you scan, you get instant message on WhatsApp. Congratulations, $2. So for this Lotto 649, I won $2 again. Likewise, when you scan, sometimes you get to play again, like you can see here, and sometimes you don't win. So these are the few options. You can also go to the retail outlet where they have the scanner, and you can get to scan and see if you have had any winning. So friends, lottery is a game of luck, and not everyone can win. I sometimes play for fun. There's nothing which can replace hard work and being smart. So when I say being smart, there are many other opportunities like having your own business, starting something which you are passionate about, dedicating time there, and being smart about what you do. So there are many other videos you can go and watch on my channel where I have shown how to start a business, how we can go and find permit, licensing, all those aspects of business which might be handy to you, and you are not trying there on your luck, but being smart and putting some effort towards your own success story. I hope this helps. Thank you.